In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set project budgets and track progress, all in under 3 minutes. Whether you're managing a small project or handling multiple tasks at once, getting your budget right and keeping tabs on progress is essential for staying on track and avoiding surprises. First things first, when setting your project budget, break it down into categories. Think about all potential costs, labor, materials, software, tools, and any unexpected expenses that might come up. The more specific you get, the more accurate your budget will be. Once you have your categories, allocate amounts based on priority and necessity. Don't just guess. If you're not sure, do some research or pull from past projects to get a more realistic estimate. Now let's talk tracking. You want a clear way to see how much you've spent versus your planned budget. This is where software can really make a difference. We'll be using some powerful software today, and if you want to follow along, I've got a special free trial link in the description exclusively for my channel viewers. With the right tool, you can enter your expenses in real time and set alerts for when you're nearing your budget limits. You'll also get visual progress indicators that show you if you're ahead or behind, so you can adjust as needed. Next, don't forget to track time. If your budget includes labor costs, you need to know how much time is being spent on each task. This helps you determine if you're on track or need to adjust the scope to stay within budget. It's also crucial to regularly review and update your budget. As projects evolve, costs change. Don't let the initial budget set the tone for the entire project. Make adjustments when necessary and keep your team in the loop. You'll be surprised at how often things shift, and keeping a close eye on it makes all the difference. Finally, communicate the budget to your team and stakeholders. Everyone involved should understand the budget limits and the importance of staying within them. Transparency ensures everyone is working toward the same goal and avoids surprises down the road. Key takeaway: setting a detailed project budget and regularly tracking your progress are key to keeping your project on track and within financial limits. Break down your budget into categories, use software for tracking, monitor time and expenses, and stay flexible for adjustments. To wrap up, if you want to follow along with the exact software I recommend, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This software can save you time, help track your progress, and ensure you stay on budget, whether you're managing a small or large project. Make sure to use that link to grab your trial, and I'll see you in the next video.